Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can change the language in CapCut. So open up the app right here, and as you can see there is a gear icon on the top right corner and you're going to click on it. As you can see, the app language is set to English, but you can change it by clicking on this tab here. And for instance, I want to change it to Bahasa Indonesia. I can do that. Once you're done changing it, just select done and the language will change, as you can see, to Bahasa Indonesia. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can change the language in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!